Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money using Leonardo AI. Selling stickers, I make money online. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now if you don't know, Leonardo AI is an image generating platform. Similar to Midjourney, but this one is absolutely for free. Although there are some plans that you could access and buy, you could still use Leonardo AI to produce you some amazing images absolutely for free. And for today's video, I will be teaching you how you could use Leonardo AI to generate you some stickers that you could sell online. For example, you could sell it on your Shopify account or your Etsy store. Any platform that would support any stickers, any e-commerce platform that you have, you could use Leonardo AI to generate you amazing designs that you could use to start earning money. So let's get started. Now, over here right now, this is the Leonardo app. If you don't know how to access Leonardo, you're simply going to go to leonardo.ai and you would be redirected to their homepage over here. If you would like to know more information about Leonardo AI, you can simply go to their website over here and read through the different information posted in this section. But over here, you're simply going to click on Launch App over here on the top left. Now keep in mind, you're going to have to go to their Discord server and you're going to have to register or do the process to get whitelisted. It's not going to be complicated, by the way. It's a very easy process to do, and it takes less than a day or at least a day to be fully processed and be whitelisted to be able to use Leonardo.ai. And after that, you're simply going to click on yes, I am whitelisted, and then you would be redirected to this page over here wherein you will be able to start using Leonardo.ai and all of its features. Over here on the home page, you will be able to see the recent creations, all of those different output that the community has created. The best of the best will be posted over here. And as you can see, one of the samples that we have over here is this sticker over here. Now what we're going to do for today's video is we're going to create our own design, our own sticker output for our e-commerce store that we will be able to sell sticker outputs. So we're simply going to go to our image AI generation over here. Now I'm going to teach you two ways on how you could create amazing sticker designs. The first way is, of course, straight up saying sticker to the prompt, which will indicate that the design will be sticker, and then whatever output that you would like. So the first thing, of course, was the topic. I accidentally forgot to mention this. The subject should be the first thing you're going to have to mention. So for example, Spider-Man. We could have that as our main topic. Then we could say sticker, and then we could add additional prompt information like HD, high quality, 4K, 3D, all of those information, 3D animate, 3D style, and if you have more additional prompt, you can enter them over here. But for us, we're going to stick with this one, and we're simply going to click on generate. By doing this, by clicking on generate, we will be able to produce our output over here. We're simply going to give it some time. Now I have set my image to be only 2 because we're saving our tokens. Right now I only have 41 because I have been using Leonardo a lot, so I don't have much. But as you can see here, we have our amazing Spider-Man over here. Although the head is a bit funky, but we still have the sticker outline, the sticker effect look over here. As you can see on the second photo, I think the second photo is the best one. We have the white outline over here, which indicates or which shows that this is a sticker design. Now, if you don't have any idea on what type of style or what type of topic you would like to create for your stickers, you could go to the community showcase and Leonardo.ai. Then you can explore in the different community showcase over here, different outputs, different designs. For example, this one over here, it has a lot of details over here, a lot of prompts. You can simply copy this actually. Go here, Control C, and we're going to use this as a basis for our prompt. So we're going to copy this, click on copy prompt, go back here, and then we're going to paste it in this section, and we're simply going to say sticker normally, sticker, just like that, and then click on generate. Now this will generate something similar to this one. Now let's say we would like to change the model. We could say it's a dog instead of a cat. We could change several sections of the prompt over here so that you will be able to use this specific prompt as well if you like this design. You can do whatever you want, do some experiments. As you can see, this is our design. Let's try changing it to, instead of a cute kitten head, we could say a cute otter head, and click on generate. Let's see what effect we would be able to get with the specific style that we are trying to get. You can go and check out different outputs over here as well. There are a lot of different element style. For example, this one, it doesn't have to be a sticker or a sticker effect. If you're trying to look for a basis, you can simply add the word or the keyword sticker to your prompts over here. And as you can see, this is our output over here. Now, another way for you to be able to create amazing sticker arts is by using a model. You could go and create your own model by going to the training in datasets over here. In this section, you could create your own dataset, and you could use stickers as a basis or as a dataset for your own model. You can simply easily create them by clicking on new dataset, create dataset over here, and then in this section, you will be able to upload the reference or the different sticker designs, sticker images that you will be able to use as a dataset image. And after that, you can simply use it as a model by simply going here, clicking on the models over here, click on select custom model, and now I have created my own already over here, my own sticker model. Simply generate with this model, and then I would be able to use this specific model to generate me some images. So instead of using this one, I could say I would like to generate an image of pyramid, or let's pick the spelling, pyramid of Giza. Pyramid of Giza, and then let's say the sticker or the instant prompt over here. If you're creating a model, you're going to have to input or add an instant prompt, which would mean that, or which would indicate that you would like to use this model. So let's say sticker, which is our keyword over here. Then click on generate, and now let's see if we will be able to generate a sticker made of pyramid of Giza. Now we could add more information, let's say 3D, and like more information, HD, water painting, stuff like that. And then let's say generate once again, and let's see the difference between these two output over here. The first one is very simple. The second one has like extra prompt over here. Now the prompt that I am using is very short, but if you would like to use complicated or long prompts, you could go to your community feed or community sections over here and use their outputs over here. And as you can see, this is our simple prompt, pyramid of Giza sticker. We have our sticker design over here and our very detailed design over here. I really like the first one and the second one as well. The first one is more cartoonish, and as you can see here on our second one, it's more confusing because we have added a lot of excess stuff. But if we remove, for example, the 3D effect or the HD, let's say this one, and let's go click on generate. Let's see the different output with our output over here. Still, this is the best one out of our output so far. This is very confusing because we added the effect HD, I'm assuming. So let's see what type of output we will be able to produce with this type of prompt this time. And as you can see, this is our output over here. I really like the second one. There's more design. The first one is a bit confusing, but I really like the first one. We could upscale this, and let's see what it would be able to look like with when we upscale it. So let's see, let's wait for it to finish upscaling it. And this is one of our sticker design. Now you could, like I said earlier, use other type of models. It is completely up to you what type of model that you are creating. Now you could also use the model that I have over here if you were able to find it in the community models. And as you can see, this is our sticker over here. You can simply download this and then upload them on your e-commerce platform and then start selling them as a sticker. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.